Make a rectangle, get rid of the fill but give it a stroke of 12 pixels. And then round off the corners, then select Object Path, Offset Path, and it wants to be 24 pixels. And do this 2 more times till you get 3 copies. Copy it and rotate it 90 degrees. Then make a copy of that and rotate it 45 degrees. Highlight everything and expand it. Then with the Shape Builder tool you can toggle between using Alt on your keyboard to delete a selection, or just click and drag and to unify a selection. Then just repeat that process until all your lines are either joined together or subtracted, so you get the Celtic look. And then I'm going to speed up my video, so all I'm doing is I'm unifying this shape so the band looks like it's going over the top or underneath each other. And at the end you should have something that looks like this. Like and follow for more.